Hello everyone, we will enable SSH on Raspberry Pi today. It will be very helpful for connection from remote and we can start. How can we do it? First, we have to write Raspberry. Sorry. Raspberry config. Yeah, as you see here, blue screen, and we have to come here. 5 number, configure connections, and there are different options. We will choose SSH, and would you like the server to be enabled? Yes or no. If you want to, yes. As you see here, the SSH server is enabled. And finish. Here, you can choose here. Finish. Yes. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Have a wonderful day.